Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Java is. Today we learn how to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows 11 operating system. Before watching this video, you all must have installed Python on your system. If you don't have, not a problem. Go to my video description where you found installation of Python 3.12 video link. Click on that link and watch it. I hope you all have successfully installed Python. Okay, let us start. Open command prompt, type command pip install notebook, hit enter. Here you can see successfully installed notebook. Okay, now open Jupyter Notebook. Type command Jupyter Notebook, hit enter. Here you can see Jupyter Notebook has been opened. Click on new notebook. Now I am going to write a program to add two numbers in Python. Okay, type a equal to 5, b equal to 7, c equal to a plus b. Okay, and print c. Hit the run button. Here you can see a plus b equal to 12. Okay, that's all in this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching.